Oh, hey, my name is Janelle, also known as KraziiCurls on Instagram and Twitter. If you don't know who I am, I love creating natural hairstyles without heat. So, if you want to see more, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, you subscribe, and you hit the bell so that you never miss a video notification. So today's video is nice, short, simple, and really to the point. So we're going to start by putting our hair, well, half of our hair up in a little top knot and just letting it flow. You know what I mean? Look at that. Ooh, no. So I will be doing a wash and go in the back using my 360 degrees for my Kinks mist spray bottle, black owned business. I'll leave that link down below. After I spray my water, I detangle with the D38 Denman brush. That's Babe. And then, you know, I'm letting my daughter brush my hair with the D3 Denman brush, another favorite, until it starts to hurt. Yeah, no, don't let her do that. So I'm going in with the Extra Butter by Uncle Funky's Daughter. This cream is thicker than the Super Curl, which is a favorite of mine, but it delivers amazing results. Look at that. You see that moisture, that shine? One product only. So we're also going to top it off with a Curly Magic, which is an aloe vera based gel. Long hair problems, but I love the shine, I love the hold it gives me, and I'm going to go back in with the D38 just to define my curls. Listen, you already know the routine if you are on my channel. If you're new, this is what I do: define my curls, give you close-ups, give you product reviews, and all that good stuff. So back to this video. I'm going to be doing the exact same thing on the other side. Look at those curls pop. Look at those curl clusters. You already know it's going to be an amazing hairstyle. Look at that. Let me just move that curl out the way. And look how many curls we have all in one. A whole bunch. But my hair looks really, really good. Let me show you a clip of what the back looks like. I have a lot of great quality wash and go videos on my channel, so make sure you check that playlist out. A lot of different small black owned businesses that you can try. If you haven't, you won't be disappointed. I always get bomb results. So moving on to the front, I'm actually just going to be parting my hair. It's like a jungle. It's really hard to part sometimes, but we're going to get through it. Okay? Yes. So this is the rough draft. And then now we're just going to clean up the lines and make sure that they look nice and precise. I love using the metal tip rat tail comb because it really helps me get those lines nice and crisp. So once you have that done, all you're gonna do is just, you know, put them up, secure them with a hair tie. I wasn't too sure what I wanted to do with the front. I wanted to do a Bantu Knot style, but I didn't want it to be basic. So I ended up spraying my hair with Thirsty Curls, which is a leave-in revitalizer by Uncle Funky's Daughter, and then I just brushed it with the brush. So now, as you can see, I'm going to create a Bantu Knot. I have 2 Bantu Knot videos in my channel, so make sure that you check those out. I will leave the links down below. Have you tried Bantu Knot outs? They're just not my thing. I'm not going to do them anymore, but I did achieve a bomb first time Bantu Knot the first time, and the second time it was a no. So moving on to the most important part, as you can see, I am wrapping it away from my face, and once I have wrapped it a few times, I am going to just, as you can see, bring it up and around that center Bantu Knot I have created. You want to make sure that you take your time and you don't go too fast, because you don't want to mess up the Bantu Knot you just created by pulling too hard. So after you wrap it around your hair, you can definitely secure it with a bobby pin or not, depending how long your hair is. So this side was a struggle because I kept wrapping it towards my face. So since I wanted it to be uniform, I really had to take my time and get this done. But this is a perfect example of why I say take your time, because if you don't take your time, you're going to be pulling on the Bantu Knot. So what I found worked was keeping my hand on the Bantu Knot while twisting with the other hand and then wrapping it around, just like I did the second Bantu Knot. And then that's it. I love this hairstyle because the Bantu knots remind me of cinnamon buns, and I love Cinnabuns. So I used the Curly Magic to just lay my edges down, get them nice and slick. I left this clip in because I wanted to show you, if you find curls that do not look crisp, nice and juicy, spray that thing with some water and then run your fingers through it. And if you see that it's still not working, add a little bit more product and you should be good to go. So this is what my hair looks like. Don't exit out just yet. I do have a little something that can turn this look all the way up. But before I do that, let's just admire this hairstyle. Something simple, something that's not complicated at all, something that does not involve braids. I normally like to do a lot of braids in my channel, braided hairstyles. But look at that. Do you see? I added Party Girl lip gloss to my lips by the Lip Bar. I have a lot of different Lip Bar lippies, gloss, lipstick, so stay tuned for a video on that. But this is the finished look. Make sure again to subscribe, like, share this video, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, and of course leave your comment. Peace and love, positive vibes. I will catch you next time.